Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the NR500 series. So in this video in particular we're looking at the 510R, that's the model I've got here. The process will be identical on the 520R because it has the same keyboard, and very similar on the flat keyboard versions. If you're looking to do it on the 510F or 520F, I'd check out a specific video on it because the process is slightly different due to the position layout of the keyboard. So just a word of warning, factory reset, you'd probably never do it. The only reasons I can think of for doing it is if you've got a second-hand cash register, so you've inherited a till off someone or you've bought one on eBay, and there's previous sales data or previous programming information and you want to get rid of it, or you're actually selling your till to someone else and you want to get rid of the data yourself, or you've been advised to reset the machine by a authorized Sam4S dealer because there's some corruption in the programming. But anyway, I'm not advising you to do it, I'm just showing you how to carry out the procedure. There's one thing you'll need in addition to the till itself is the key marked C, which is service key. So it only goes to the blind engineer position, the service position. When you've got that key popped in, you should be able to turn around to the service mode. But what we're going to do to actually run the procedure is key to off. I always turn the till off at the side on the rocker switch, and then you press and hold down the check button here, turn the key round to the service mode, flick the till back on, and then when you release the check button it should say RAM all clear, and then you want to press in sequence, top left, bottom left, top right, bottom right, RAM clear, good, and it will basically give you the option of loading the default setup. Because we're just doing a factory reset, we're going to load up the default memory. If you're looking to program this till now and connect it to a barcode scanner or use mix and match promotions, then you want to go and check out one of my other videos showing you how to edit the memory allocation. Because what I do now by pressing yes to load default set, it's just going to program the default memory allocation. So that's 1000 PLUs, 10 Clarks, 10 groups. It leaves a lot of spare memory, but it's the optimum way of using the machine. If you were using this machine with a barcode scanner and you've got more than 1000 PLUs, then you'll need to run a different memory allocation, because once you've run the memory allocation and start programming the machine, the only way of increasing the memory involves performing another factory reset and therefore losing all your programming data and sales data. Okay, you know the procedure's done because it's printed out your memory allocation, so you can turn the key back round to the off mode, and then depending on what you're doing, if you're selling the machine or programming it. So if you're programming it, obviously now you can check out our programming videos on the 500 series. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I hope that video has been helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel.